Hello Aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and today I'm going to show you how to do fluffy clouds. I am going to use a combination of soft and hard edges. I used a really nice phthalo blue for the sky and I'm adding in some gray that I just made in my palette with some contrasting colors. And now you just take a tissue and smoosh it, do some smooshing for the clouds along the blue lines where the blue meets the white of the paper and amongst the gray that you just put down. So that's going to give a lot of fluffy look to the clouds. Now I'm adding in the landscapes and laying down my first layers of that. So everything is still wet and I am able to pick up some of the paint to have this foggy look in that mid-ground landscape. But this is basically a one-layer painting. I'm adding some texture to the foreground, some more brighter colors. I'm using a fan brush for this. And I am getting in these more darker greens. To blend the texture a little bit, I am just using some plain water and this softens it very nicely. I'm changing the value of the background hills to get that pushed more into the background. The green color was just a little too bright, and for distant hills it really needed to be muted a little bit. So I'm adding a little bit more earthy brown and shadow green colors for those distant hills. To finish off this landscape, I used a size 0 brush to add in this tiny cute little horse. And that is it for this fast half-hour landscape. I hope you guys enjoyed this today, and I'll see you next week.